Here's something you won't believe. In 1932, a major world power officially declared war on an animal. Not a metaphorical war, but a real one, with soldiers and machine guns. The enemy: 20,000 massive, flightless birds. After World War I, Australia was overrun by a horde of emus destroying farmland, so the military was called in to solve the problem. Armed with machine guns, the soldiers quickly found their feathered foes to be tactical geniuses. The emus would split into small groups, running unpredictably, making them nearly impossible to hit. It was a total failure. After weeks of humiliation, the military withdrew. The birds had won. But the craziest part: the event is officially known as the Great Emu War, and it wasn't the last time they tried it.